If you love cream and green textures that already feel coordinated, stay with me. This 5-piece bundle builds into a much richer reveal as each 8 by 10-inch piece comes forward. It includes
a pistachio green looped fabric. This is a lighter weight. Look at the texture. This one. And for some contrast, we also added this coarse weave. It reminds me of the African mud cloth, the hand-woven mud cloth. That's what this resembles. Look at that texture, and look at it next to this. Look at the variation of textures there. This is a heavier piece. And then we go to this sateen, cotton sateen blend, and it has embroidered dots on it. Give a good close-up. See the embroidered? So let's put those together. Look how well those work. Textures and the dots. Just building up the bundle for your project here. And we're on a lighter weight piece. This is a silk blend in the pistachio green color. Okay, and look at the variation of texture in the weave. Okay. So let's put those together and see how those look. How well that works there. Okay, and this piece right here, this is a cotton blend also, but it has silver metallic threads in it. See that? So this is a nice piece that will work with this also. Let's put that together so you can see what they all look like together. All ready to go for your next project.
If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.